Good morning, Namaskar, Adab. We, the students of grade 5A, are going to present an assembly virtually. Let's begin. We pray here for everyone's welfare, well-being, and prosperity. I request my friend Fazil to sing the school prayer song, requesting everyone to please stand for the school prayer. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease.
O God, be my friend and Savior. Guard over my conduct and behavior. O God, be my friend and Savior. Promise to guard over my conduct and behavior. Inspire me to be a good student. Learn my lessons with prudence. Inspire me to be a good student. Learn my lessons with prudence. Oh God, be my philosopher. Promise to stand by me forever. Oh God, be my philosopher. Promise to stand by me forever. Guide me along the right course, then show the truth course. Guide me along the right course, then show the truth course. Make me worthy of my parents. Help me respect my teachers and friends. Make me worthy of my parents. Help me respect my teachers and friends. Give me courage and confidence. Put me into a good citizen. Give me courage and confidence. Put me into a good citizen. Oh God, bless my glorious institutions. Our precious daily school of excellence. Our precious daily school of excellence. Our precious daily school of excellence.
Thank you, Fazil. Requesting everyone to please take your seats.
Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Thankfulness may consist merely of words. Gratitude is shown in acts. Now, my dear friend Ryan is going to say the thought for the day.
Today's thought for the day is gratitude is fairest blossom from the soul. I repeat, gratitude is fairest blossom from the soul.
किसी शायर ने खूब कहा है, जिंदगी में टेंशन ही टेंशन है, फिर भी इन लबों पे मुस्कान है, क्योंकि जब हर हाल में जीना ही है तो मुस्कुरा के जीने में क्या नुकसान है।
आज के इस बदलते तकनीकी दौर में हमने देखा कितना बदलाव आया है। स्कूल वर्चुअल हो गए हैं, घर बैठे ही सब काम करने लगे हैं। घर से निकलना बंद हो गया था, फिर भी सबके मन में शुक्राना का भाव था। सब एक दूसरे की मदद तन, मन और धन से कर रहे हैं। परिवार के महत्व को हम समझने लगे हैं।
Gratitude is like a magnet. The more grateful you are the more you will receive to be grateful for. Be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. When you focus on our gratitude, the tide of disappointment goes out. The tide of love rushes in.
Practicing gratitude and implementing it in our life through prayer and sharing. It is a major part in realizing the good life we have already. Gratitude, a quality of being thankful. What about you? What are you grateful for? Now, my friends are going to express their gratitude through a short skit.
Good morning. I am Tisha and I am playing the role of your teacher, and you all are my students. Good morning, dear students. I am going to share my
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
turn. Let's start today's class with a small activity. Take few minutes to draw a picture of someone or something on a piece of paper.
Ma'am, what do we need to draw?
What should we do?
Gratitude. Gratitude, it is very important for a peace of mind and happiness. Think how lucky we are for what we have and whom we have in our lives. Now take few minutes to draw.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Now,
I'm done, ma'am.
now everyone show your drawings. Wonderful class. Now, who is going to share first what you are grateful for? Gautam.
I am grateful for a wonderful family I have. They help me in doing my homework, can take care of me whenever I need them. I love my family. I'm blessed to have them.
Wonderful, Gautam. Yash.
I am grateful for chocolate. Chocolate is the happiness thing that we can eat and it makes us cheerful. It gives us so many friends and it changes our mood.
Wonderful, Yash. Safia.
I am grateful for police because they are the first frontline warriors who save the society to curb the spread of pandemic. Without discrimination of caste, creed, and color, they strike hard and infuse the greatest degree of confidence. They work for the nation and keep us safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Safia. Kiara.
I am grateful to frontline corona warriors who sacrifice their life while saving patients during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Doctors work 24 hours to keep our nation safe and healthy.
Very good, Kiara. Come on, Chinmay, share your work. Wonderful, dear. Come on, Ahan, share your work. Class, can anyone guess whose hands Ahan drew?
Ma'am, I think Ahan drew his own hand because he's grateful to have his own hand.
It's your hand, my dear teachers. I am grateful that I have teachers who always love us and treat us like our own children. In this pandemic, they have struggled a lot for making our learning interesting and fun. Thank you, my dear teachers.
Thank you, Ahan. It's very nice of you.
I am grateful for the school management. Without them, we would have not enjoyed our virtual classes. Thank you,
Rama ma'am, Sushi ma'am, Veena ma'am, Rimpa ma'am, and all our dear teachers for your tireless effort in giving us the best.
Today's news by Abdul Ahad.
Emirates reveals flight path to Dubai travel recovery amid COVID-19. Kawati witness is steep described in COVID-19 cases. Sports news. Rishabh Pant recovers from COVID-19, joins Team India's bio bubble in Durban. Tokyo Olympics. Paddler Sayan reveals plan for Fantastic Games debut. Indian news. Coronavirus live updates. Indians' COVID vaccines coverage exceeds 41.76 crore. Tokyo 2020 Olympics. India's top medal contenders. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear friend Abdul Ahad. As a citizen of India, we have some duties towards our nation. So let's take the pledge with Shobya, requesting everyone to please stand up.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders. Treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shobya. Let us express our wholehearted gratitude towards our nation by singing the national anthem. Requesting my dear friend Chinmay Pandey to sing the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद John.
Thank you, my dear friend Chinmay.
School standards, attention.
School standards, attention. Please take your seats.
Thank you, Renka ma'am, Rimpa ma'am.